rods, stuff like that. It's better because you can knock it and it won't break. Yes, you can even stand on it.
Really?
Yes, I think you can. I can't, but you.
Okay. Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Love of Theo channel. I'm Theo here. We are still in the KICC and on the Build Expo Africa 2023. So we have a gentleman here who is going to take us through what they're selling about the lights. So how are you?
Yes, welcome. I'm Nick van Hemert from Quality LED Africa, QLA. We sell different kind of LED products, from LED strips up to industrial, retail, office, utility. We got it all, and we can offer any quality against any price.
Yes.
Because that's very important.
Okay. So when did you come to Kenya, or when did you start this company in Kenya?
We just started.
You've just started.
We just started. We were opening a showroom at Unga House, Westlands, Nairobi, within 1 or 2 weeks, I think. So please come and visit us when we're ready.
Okay. So I should come and visit.
Yes, of course, because we have a very nice team, we have very nice products. We can show you all and tell you all about the lighting we got.
Okay. So let's start from here, probably.
Yes.
What are these lights for?
These are IP54 lights, surface mounted. They are used for outside, so you can use it for example, for balconies, but you can also use it for hallways, stairways, and stuff like that. Garages. Just what you like, what you like them for. They're smart, they're not that high, and they look very slim.
Okay. These ones here.
Yes.
Very slim. What about this one? Probably.
This one is more industrial, right? It's more like heavy dust and can be used in more in public places, public garages, public parking lots, stuff like that. It's better because you can knock it and it won't break. Yes, you can even stand on it.
Really?
Yes, I think you can. I can't, but you.
Okay. That's so nice. Eh?
Yes.
So all of those are the high quality cover.
Of course, it's all it's noted with the IQ rate. It's how hard it is, but it's all very good. It's all IQ 10. It's high as possible.
Okay. So this company, it's just started here, or it was in a certain country then?
Yes, this company here, Quality LED Africa, just started without 2 months, I think. Yeah, but of course, we're based in Europe. We're based in the Netherlands. It's more or less a sister company, and we already done it for over 70 or 80 years.
Okay. So in Africa, this is the first time?
It's the first time.
Africa. Okay, fine. The other side?
The other side, a lot of spotlights and stuff like that.
They're called spotlights.
Spotlights, so for cabinet. You see, it's very slim, very thin. Make it recessed, make it surface. It's magnetic, so you can change rings. So when you say, hey, let's like this one, you can edit. And just need to change the ring. So it's magnetic.
Okay. Oh, that's nice. So these ones, you can use them on the ceiling?
Yes, they're used for the ceiling.
For the ceiling.
It's all dimmable, very good. Very nice, all different kind of rings.
This one, this is the switch. Oh, what is this?
It's dimmer. It's a dimmable. So you can turn them softer.
Okay.
And especially this one, this top, when you dim it, it will get orange. It will get warmer. You see?
Wow.
Color is changing.
Let me show that. Let me do this.
Brightened up. So you can brighten up your marketing exposure.
Oh, no, this one for marketing.
Yes, but it's very nice. You can easily change posters. And every time you have a new marketing idea, you just change painting. Quite simple.
Okay.
And then here we got some industrial lights. IP65 fixtures.
Yes.
Replacement fixtures for TL. Some office panels.
Office panels.
Panels, yes.
Oh, this
So very soft for your eye.
Yeah, very soft.
Compared to this one is even harder, but this one is very soft.
This one?
This one still softer when it's used in the ceiling.
Okay.
When you're now looking at it, you might think it's not.
This one's here?
Yes, used for balconies.
Balconies, these ones.
Yes.
What about?
It's a track rubber. Let's keep it out of because we're still waiting for the products. They're stuck.
This one here.
Yes.
Okay. And this side?
are the downlights, so they're used for office, recess, clubs, for example. As you can see,
Dance hall.
color changeable.
Okay. So these are your products? or-
Yes, these are my products. I would like to invite you to a showroom. Yes.
Okay.
Unga House, first floor.
Unga House.
Yes.
First floor.
Yes.
When will that be?
Within 2 weeks.
Within 2
So
weeks.
after 2 weeks, you can all come and join us.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So thank you so much, Nick, for taking us through this place. My YouTube channel is called Love of Theo channel.
Yes, thank you.
Yes. So I love showing out.